Hey guys, it's your weird creative friend Cat Sketch here to bring you another makeup transformation video, this time doing a Beetlejuice inspired makeup look. I know I've done a few on this channel before, but today I am going to take on Miss Argentina from Beetlejuice. She is so gorgeous. I love her turquoise skin tone, her outfit and hair. She plays like the receptionist in the movie Beetlejuice who had an accident. And of course she has a wound effect, so warning, if you're squeamish about cuts, fake blood, slit wrists, or anything like that, if anything triggers you like that, it's gonna be shown in this video. So just letting you know, even though it's not human flesh, it's like turquoise. Just wanted to let you know, and I am not naked, I do have a tube top thing on, but we are gonna body paint like her banner. I made a collar. Hopefully it's gonna be grand. So let's get started. Hopefully this won't be an accident. First of all, I'm gonna put a wig cap on because she has bright red, gorgeous, like this beautiful coral bright red. It looks like flames if there was a fire pit full of peaches. I don't know, there's like some peach elements in it. So I'm just gonna do this and pin this back. All right, to prep our skin, I'm just gonna use some moisturizer and primer. I am going to use a primer that's going to be super mattifying because I don't want her to have dewy skin. She needs really smooth skin because she's an ex-pageant queen. So I'm just using this No Pore Blim Primer by Touch in Sol with a foundation brush and just really focusing it mainly on where I get large pores, or I have large pores, and on my face. And I'm also gonna put some eye cream down because I feel like it's one of the most underrated products because I don't like crepiness underneath my eyes, and I get that a lot, I feel like, because I have such dry skin. So we're gonna avoid that today. I want to look like Miss Argentina and not the guy who's smoking a cigarette in the waiting room with her. That'd be a great makeup. Ooh. Leave me a comment down below on what you want to see next in the next video. So I was so lucky because Miss Argentina's, I feel like a lot of people don't know if she's turquoise or green, but she's kind of a mix of both. And she's practically this color. So I'm gonna body paint with this, and I wanted to use some creams on my face, and it perfectly almost matches this color in my Wet n Wild pastel palette. This is one of their limited edition Halloween-like palettes. So we're gonna start with that cream used as our foundation. Ooh, I'm getting excited. You really want to get this not only all over the face, but we're gonna do it even on our ears. To make sure I have enough product, I hope I don't run out, I'm gonna start with the center of my face. I feel like an avatar gone wrong so far. It's so weird, I've noticed looking at the reference pictures, which you really want to grab when you're doing any type of makeup, especially one like this with so many different colors. She doesn't have colored eyebrows. She just like left, or whoever did her makeup just left her eyebrows. No one colored her eyebrows, which surprised me. I would have colored them to match her hair color and then just like put some glue or something to make sure her eyebrows stayed in place, or really good like clear brow gel, or even a powder with, you could done so many things with the brows, girl. Who did them? Did Veniel do that makeup? Am I like a bad makeup artist? I don't know this. I don't know. Do it here, and then the rest I'll do aqua paint. All right, now for some contour. I'm gonna use some blue cream paint for her contour and a little bit of gray as well, just to get this on our cheekbone. And I'm gonna do my jawline too, because she's got like a sickening jawline, and I'm gonna bring it up to my temples. Then with the same color of the contour, I'm gonna contour my nose because she's got a snatched nose. Contouring my nose always makes me nervous because I feel like you get really wonky really easily. Just blending the edges with my beauty sponge because you don't want it to look like straight up lines you drew on your freaking face. All right, now that we have the contour and everything, I'm going to dust my face with some translucent setting powder. You just need to tap it. This is so much fun. I have such a fun job thanks to you guys. Honestly, I don't take it for granted, especially this time of year. I feel like I'm just alive inside because we all get to enjoy this and have fun. Like, Halloween makeup should not be taken that seriously unless you're harming yourself or other people. Okay, all right, now I look like an alien. I am going to grab the PG Queen palette, Spirit Board. This is like the palette of the month, I need to do monthly favorites, and this is gonna be like number one. Again, not being sponsored or paid by PG Queen, but this for Halloween looks is sickening. You have all your great smoky eye looks with your browns, your matte black, of course, the sparkly shimmery white would be amazing for a highlighter. This color Fate is like a great eggplant, like hints of blue and purple to get this mystic. Just everything about this is amazing. I'm gonna grab this color Spirit, and I'm also going to use a mix of Fate and Possessed. So starting with the matte black blue, which is called Spirit, in this palette, I'm going to do a smoked out beautiful eye. If you really look up close on the pictures, she has hints of blues and purples and a very smoky eye look. It almost looks like a black eye, but on her, it looks like a beautiful smoky effect with the colors used. And we're just doing tapping motions in like a halo effect and blurring it out, and on the bottom lash line as well. What you really want to make sure you do in between is get a clean blending brush and blend that in so that there's no harsh line, because you don't want her to have a disgusting eye look. You want it to look pretty. She's a beauty queen. That's why you wanted to powder this, because it'll help blend it better. Okay, now with one of my favorite colors in this palette, this purpley like violet with hints of like blue. It's super cool. I'm gonna put that in a blended effect as well. All right, getting one of my all-time favorite palettes as well. This is the Creepy Cute palette by Strobe Cosmetics. And I'm just getting a very tiny tapered blending brush with the Planchette Violet Purple. This is the best pastel violet purple in the business. And I'm going to pop that in the center, and has like a outer crease blending, like a transition shade. Now I know this is a little extra, but I'm putting some highlight on her. I feel like she needs to look snatched. So I'm just using, in the Spirit Board PG Queen palette, the like sparkly white color. Yes, I feel like that made the nose look so much better. I'm even gonna put some in her inner corner. Let's move on to her lips. For these type of looks, I'm gonna use the two different Ofra liquid lipsticks. This one's in Havana Nights, and it's the darker one. And this is in Brickle. This is the best bright red for all of the villains in Disney. So I feel like with these two combos, I'm gonna line the lips with this and then use the red in the center. But I feel like with that, it's just amazing. Now that I lined the outer lips with the darker color in Havana Nights, I'm gonna go in with Brickle. And I'm just gonna grab a lip brush and blend those two. Make sure to keep a brush with the cream on hand in case you mess up. We need gloss, clear gloss. Now time for some liner. I'm gonna darken in my waterline with some black liner. You just grab whatever brush and pull that down too, so you don't like mess up with your fingertips. I do that all the time, I mess up. Taking away the makeup with my fingertips. Now with some matte black eyeshadow, I'm gonna get a very tiny little pencil brush and blend that liner into the bottom lash line with light tapping motions into that purpley blue color. You can even add some of that purpley blue color. All right. I just realized this girl got winged eyeliner on, so I need to do a wing liner. Okay, now that we have our liner, I'm gonna put some lashes on, and I don't know why when I put lashes on a beauty makeup look, I'm like, this is my favorite part. It makes a look, but when I do it for like effects, fantasy looks like this, it's like my least favorite part. I don't know why, because I feel like it could distract from the look. It's not fun with a whole face of color, because if you like rest your hand wrong, you'll get green fingers, but we're gonna do it. Okay, now that we have the lashes on, I added some blue contour, just some blue eyeshadow to add to the contour because I need those cheeks looking more snatched. It's time to get some white body paint to do the banner. Yeah, we're going that extreme, duh. Getting a big old fat brush, the biggest, fattest brush I got, she thick. Really get it moist and start painting on the, not wet enough, it's skipping. Ah, this way's better. Yes. Let that dry. This makes me want to buy and wear her dress. Oh no! Oh, too much lip gloss. My lip gloss is way too poppin'. Oh no. Why did this happen to me? It's alright. My lips too big, they'd be sticking on my chin. To do the rest of the body painting, we're gonna paint it all the way to the tips of our hands. This is Wolf Brothers. Just gonna start here. What does this color remind me of? Kind of like Jasmine's outfit from Aladdin. Princess Jasmine. Just painting my arms, that's gonna take me 5 years. Okay, we need more contour. She has like the most delicate collarbones and I wanna contour them because hers look contoured. Okay, now I'm gonna do the Miss Argentina logo. All right, getting some matte black eyeshadow and some light gray. First taking the light gray and we're just gonna make some shadowy marks on the banner, her little sash. And I'm putting some of that gray here. The amount of time this is taking. Alright, getting the black liquid aqua paint and doing the outline of her sash. Getting the matte black eyeshadow again from that Peachy Queen palette and color in the lettering. Now I'm even gonna do the straps of her dress with some gray aqua paint or use gray cream paint. So what I was going to do, I was gonna do some nose and scar wax wounds for the wrist, but bending too much here so they won't stick. Especially if you're doing this for a Halloween costume, I wouldn't suggest that because you're gonna be bending your hands no matter what unless like you have someone to do everything for you like the Kardashians do. But not all of us are that privileged. So I'm just gonna paint those wounds on. I'm getting this cream paint of this deep, dark, like crusty blood maroon color. And I'm gonna paint it on my red. Oh yeah, that's the ticket. Again, sorry if this scares anyone. Don't go to child's parties like this. What I'm also gonna do is get the blue eyeshadow that I've been using and put it here around the wound to look like it's open a little. Oh yeah. Now the wig, it was super duper hard to find a wig that looked like her. This one kind of does, but it doesn't have any bangs and it's the closest that I could find ever. So I'm just pinning some of the hairs to the front like hers with these cute little curls. I'm just pinning the sides of my hair. All right, now we need the collar. I made this collar from like ribbon and stuff from the craft store. I couldn't find her outfit or wig. I'm like, I guess I'm gonna have to Martha Stewart this together, which is not bad. I like crafting. If I had another YouTube channel, I would be like crafting and cooking if I had all the time in the world. I'm just pinning this collar to the back of my hair so it'll stay in place. Crafts. So once you have this on, you're completely done with the makeup transformation of Miss Argentina from Beetlejuice. She's so sassy, so classy, so cute. I wish they had like a little spin-off on what her life was like before all of this, or all of the characters in the movie, if what was their life before this. Not just the main characters of Barbara and Adam, but everyone. I absolutely love this beauty makeup look. I might wear it without the turquoise skin. It's so pretty. I like how it looks like Coraline when she enters that little door. Also like a bruised up eye at the same time, but beautiful. This makeup look took me 3 hours, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do this makeup or any makeup from my YouTube channel this Halloween season, please post on Instagram and tag me, #CatSketch. I would love to see it. Leave me a comment down below on what you would love to see next in the next makeup transformation video this Halloween spooky season. This is what happens when you die. That is what happens when he dies. That is what happens when they die. It's all very personal. And if I knew what I know now, then I wouldn't have had my little accident. Okay, now it's time for me to take this off. I hope you guys enjoyed one of my favorite movie recreations. I've always wanted to do this. Oh, I might just take my face off and take a shower, because it is going to be a rough one, and I feel like that I am going to have turquoise dyed skin for the next few days. Turquoise is one of the hardest colors to take off. Maybe I'll just go to a Halloween event if my skin's dyed, and so it won't look too weird when I'm hanging out this weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed. All the products I use in this video will be listed down below in the description box as always. Subscribe for more videos. I do 2 videos a week. I can't wait to show you more Halloween stuff. I'm gonna hit the showers. But I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video, creators. Bye!